Good Friday afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Friday's Market Wrap-Up here at TOMCAT Options. My name is Matthew Buckley. My call sign is Wiz. And folks, what an epic day here at TGO. Historic day. We have launched our newest live trading and training service called TOMCAT Charts. We had a great brief this morning, a little technical issue, so we might actually open up the doors again for next Friday at 10 a.m. For folks who had some of the technical issues. So that one will be on us. So how about that? A free live trade brief next Friday for those. But if you want to watch the replay of what we did cover, all you need to do is head to go.topgunoptions.com/tomcat-replay. Okay? go.topgunoptions.com/tomcat-replay. Even with a couple minor technical issues at the beginning, man, you guys are blowing the doors off of this service already. Remember, if you're a lifetime member, you're cleaning up, man. Look at it. Bart's in here right now. Look at this. Look at Bart attacking Amazon right now. Oh, boy. Which is great, because we are looking at look at all the work Bart's doing in here on Amazon. You're going to get access to all the stuff that Bart does, man. Well, let me tell you how to get access to everything that Bart does, man. Head to go.topgunoptions.com/ you ready for it? Bart. That's an easy one to remember. Go.topgunoptions.com/Bart. Let me break this down for you real quick. And we only have 50 slots. We're keeping this just like full throttle. Bart and I do not want zoos, man. We don't want it an absolute shit show in the chat box. We like a nice tight-knit squadron. So I did not look before I got on this brief how many slots we have, but they're going pretty damn quick, man. They were going as Bart was talking. TOMCAT Charts monthly. It's only $147 a month. You're going to get access to his brief every Friday at 10 a.m. Obviously, the replay to that. You're going to get the text and email alerts, skill-based manuals, and the trade plan and OPCL. That's a great deal at $147 a month. The absolute fantastic deal is right here at $297 per month. You get everything, obviously, in TOMCAT Charts monthly, but you're going to get access to Bart's live 8 training sessions that he's going to do every quarter. That's 4 times a year Bart is going to do this, okay? So, and by the way, access to the Zone 5 master chart database. So on the member page, man, he's going to be updating 200 charts of the 200 most popular names, and he's going to do it continuously, man. So whenever you log in, it's going to be broken up by like sector, like tech or consumer cyclicals or energy. So you can click on that folder and go look at the setups that Bart is knocking out and stuff like this, man. Look at that. Whoops. Let me click on it once. Oh, boy. Look out below on Amazon. Well, look out below on Amazon. If you were in TOMCAT Options yesterday, you got what, man? You did a bear call spread on Amazon with us. That is up $2,700. Max profit out of that. How about the SPX bear put spread, man, that we put on during full throttle training a couple weeks ago? Up almost $11,000. Men lie, numbers don't. How we doing month to date, folks? It's February 18th. It's like halfway through the month. We're up 30 grand. We're up 30 grand in a market that's doing this. It is look out below, folks, time. It is bearish. Look at this. We are down here right where I told you we'd go down to 40. What's that, 43.50? It's look out below. Joe Biden is speaking at 4 p.m. today. Mumbles McBiden, 4 p.m. Why he's speaking at 4? Because the market's closed. How many times did you see Trump speak on a Friday when the market was closed with some bad news? I get that there was a little rally in the futures this morning on Lavrov agreeing to meet with Blinken next week. It's not going to happen, folks. Vladimir Putin will invade Ukraine. We will have war in Europe. Listen to Joe Biden's sophomore year. I seem to remember a smart, really good-looking guy telling you, that Joe Biden's sophomore year would be a train wreck. We'd have a recession and a bear market. I said that 14 months ago. Nailed it. Didn't want to nail it. I'm nailing it. And we're printing money. So if you're frustrated, if you're getting wiped out as this market's imploding, you're not here at TOMCAT Options, because we're not. I don't like down markets as American, because as American, I know that people are getting hurt. Their portfolios are getting hurt. As Gordon Gekko, I think this is fucking fantastic. I'm going to pound this into the dirt. I'm going to make money off people's stupidity. If you want a friend, get a dog. That was me channeling my inner Gordon Gekko. Folks, as an options trader, we could potentially make money no matter if the market's going up, down, or sideways, man. Matter of fact, I like a down market as an options trader because of volatility. Volatility goes through the roof. Panic selling. People, liquidity dries up. Cats and dogs living together. Mass hysteria. Not if you're an options trader. We're having a blast, folks. Full Throttle's closed. We have our 50 members for this quarter. Maybe I'll see you next quarter. TOMCAT Charts is open. Go watch the replay at /TOMCAT-replay, or go grab your TOMCAT chart slot now so you can see how we are trading this market. Our newest instructor here is Bart, TOMCAT guy. Don't hold that against him. Top Gun graduate, chartered market technician, a CTA. He's an instructor. He's a 500-pound brain. Putin will invade Ukraine, period. How do you think the market's going to do? Oh, and by the way, just war in Europe is, if that's not bearish enough, how about Jerome Powell? Raging inflation. I love the Fed lieutenants trying to tiptoe around. Well, we shouldn't act too quickly. Act too quickly. People are burning in this country of inflation. And the Fed's worried about crashing the market? Crash the damn market. If you watched the Options News Network in 2008, 2009, you know I said the exact same thing. And we wouldn't be here right now if the Fed had let capitalism run its course in 2008. But everybody gets a trophy, right? Everybody gets a trophy. And the Fed in 2008 decided to save Wall Street, right? Remember the Occupy Wall Street thing? That wasn't bullshit, man. I agreed with those people. Don't give me this too big to fail shit. People need to be able to fail. Oh, wait, Wall Street can't fail. The world will end. No, it won't. That was idiot George Bush Jr. listening to his Goldman Sachs Treasury Secretary, right? Hank Paulson running into the Oval Office. Oh, my God, the country will end. No, it won't, dude. The sun will rise tomorrow. The Fed needs to raise interest rates. They needed to do it a year and a half ago when I told you they needed to do it. It's too late. The Fed is going to crash this airplane. So we got war in Europe. We got inflation raging at home. We're going to have rising interest rates, cats, dogs living together. Oh, my. And we're going to print money. We are absolutely going to print money. Oh, and by the way, I didn't even touch on China, which we'll tape back. So after Putin invades Ukraine, what do you think China's going to do with Taiwan? Nothing. How about Iran? How about North Korea? Joe Biden, folks, is weak. Weakness invites aggression. Love or hate Donald Trump, man. At least the dude pretended he was nuts. I don't know if he was nuts or not, but at least Krima, some young guy in North Korea, is like, oh my God, this dude's crazier than I am. Call him a Russian agent. Actually, Hillary Clinton turned out this week to be the Russian agent, and hopefully she gets indicted along with her entire campaign, and Jake Sullivan, who is currently the National Security Advisor. I hope they all get indicted and go to prison. But you guys know as well as I do, there's two sets of laws in this country, and it doesn't apply to the liberal elites. So I'm having a blast, man. We're having a blast here. We're having a blast over in the Max Afterburner group in the Lifetime. Bart's hooking us up with some great charting. Look at this. Oh, everybody, yeah. Sell pattern. Look at these guys, man. Bart is knocking it out of the park. He's put up some other setups in here earlier, up here on FCX, SCCO. Look at this. This is awesome. Get on board, man. I can't. I can only lead you to water. I can't make you drink. Go.topgunoptions.com/Bart. The market is heading lower. Don't email me or text me again going, hey, where's the bottom, Wiz? It ain't. There is no bottom in this market yet. It might not be for months, man. Remember, the Fed, folks, is still pumping liquidity into the market. The volunteer fireman who lit this fire is responding to the scene with more gas. So eventually the liquidity's gone from the Fed, and they're going to be raising interest rates. That will be the Fred Sanford moment, man. That will be the grab in your chest, heart attack, I'm coming, Elizabeth. Oh, and by the way, war in the world. So I'm glad 81 million of you allegedly voted for this guy who's in charge. Oh, and Kamala. Kamala, who's over in Europe to try and forestall war. I'm sure Vladimir Putin's just shaking in his boots. I am having a blast. Join Top Gun Options, TOMCAT chart service. I strongly recommend you do Zone 5, man. Or, well, I didn't even talk about it. If you want to save a shit pot of money, which is a lot, if you want about a 50% discount, do the annual membership. If you do the annual membership, you're saving 50%. Okay, I got to go, man. I got my podcast at 3 o'clock. Have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and God bless. Namaste, and fights on.